After a general checkup with my daughter's doctor, I brought it up to my daughter that we would have the opportunity to possibly participate in a clinical trial. And
I liked it. I liked the idea.
It was exciting. Like, we knew that this could be like life-changing for her.
My name is Eliana. I'm from Los Angeles, California, and I really enjoy programming and drawing.
My name is Erica, and I'm from Los Angeles, California, and I have a 12-year-old daughter.
I heard about the trial from my mom because she informed me about it after she did a lot of research, and she asked my doctor if she could get in touch with the doctor that runs the clinical trial, and that's how it all started.
Due to my child's allergy, I did tons of research day and night to learn more about it and what could be done and what studies were out there. Once I knew about what studies I wanted her to participate in, from that point I went and researched the doctors and how to get her involved so things could be better for her and better for her family and better for her entire life.
Well, when I first heard about it, I thought it was really interesting, but I was thinking, like, how are they going to do this?
My concerns were she would have an adverse reaction to the medication or something like that. But because she was in the hands of the best doctors in the world and we were in a hospital setting, it seemed like this was the best route to do, and it was safe. And it was safe.
I was hoping that my allergy would get less serious and I would be safer. I would be able to try new foods and do more things that were exciting and fun if joined the trial.
I was hoping to give my daughter a better life than she had a couple of years ago, and she definitely has one now. We don't worry nearly as much as we used to. We're still careful, and take precautions, but we live a different life than we did before. She's able to see friends, go to sleepovers, play dates, tennis, swimming. We can travel places that we couldn't go before because we were too far from a hospital or something like that. Like, it definitely has changed our daily life for the better.
Clinical trials are important because it's a way that doctors test out new medications, and it's how we have vaccines and all these different types of things, and it helps change people's lives for the better.
I've always been a fan of clinical trials because I think that the benefits for the general public are amazing. I mean, you could see it right now with vaccines being produced and new medications. It's great for people. It's great for the world. It's great for children. It's great for adults.
My experience was amazing. All the doctors were really kind and the place was just fun. And overall, I had a really great experience.
I think it's important for other parents to realize that yes, there is worry and yes, there is concern, but the trials and the doctors and the medications, they've put so much work into them that by the time they get to the point where you're in the trial, you really should be excited that you're able to participate and do this with your child and for your child's future.
My experience was great. It changed my life a lot because I'm now able to try new foods that I wouldn't be able to have 2 years ago. And the doctors were so nice, and it kind of got my confidence built up.
My experience was a great one. I would do it again. My daughter would do it again. We are definitely living a better life than we did a couple years ago prior to the trial. I definitely think our relationship grew stronger participating in the clinical trial because of all the things we can now do together that we weren't able to do before.
I would tell other families that are considering participating in the clinical trial, hi, I'm Eliana. The experience is great, the doctors are nice, and the benefits that you get from it are astronomical. It's a really great experience, it's beneficial, and you should totally go for it.
I totally agree.